Ladies and gentlemen, Johnny here, your premier real estate agent. Welcome to another beautiful open house here in the El Cajon district. And I gotta tell you, this is a 6-bedroom, 6-bath, over 5,000 square feet. It is a palatial, beautiful property. Ladies and gentlemen, Johnny here, your premier San Diego real estate agent. I am presenting another beautiful, palatial property located in Rancho, San Diego. A beautifully remodeled 6-bedroom, 6-bath located on an expansive lot. Additionally, a large studio could be converted into a 7th bedroom if desired. Open and bright. Floor plan includes inviting entry porch, vaulted ceilings with exposed wood beams, 2 cozy fireplaces, 2 full kitchens, a large island, high-end appliances, new fixtures, recessed lighting, and ceiling fans. A palatial master suite with a dual sink, spa tub, triple-headed shower, and spacious walk-in closet. This is an immense 1.3-acre lot. Includes many separate private outdoor areas, a mountaintop area with massive, I'm talking massive views, and plenty of parking for dozens of people. Large orchard with a mature producing citrus tree, along with a kids yard with a trampoline and a rope swing, multi-patios, balcony, a massive pool, and along with a beautiful home that is just across from a golf course. 3 minutes from Target and Ralph's, and everything is close by. Reach out to me at 619-928-2898.